Hi, welcome back to Taste of Thursday. We're going to make chicken enchiladas in the crock pot. I've never done this before, so it's an experiment. Remember, cooking is an experiment. So I'm going to use a medium package of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can use whatever you want. If you like chicken breast better, or a whole chicken. And I cooked it and drained it, and I'll shred it up. And then I saved 3 cups of broth to make the sauce. And we have the flour tortillas, and we have some shredded Monterey Jack, a tablespoon of flour to thicken this up, some onion, and about 1 to 1.5 cups of sour cream, and of course salt, pepper, onion powder. I used that to cook the chicken, so it's already in the broth. And I'll go and start to construct this. We put a liner in the crock pot, and we've sprayed it with nonstick spray, since it's cheese and everything. And I'll go get everything ready to construct and be right back. Okay, I've already got started, and I put some chicken in the tortilla and a little cheese and roll it up. And I've already done 1 layer, and I'm starting a 2nd layer. Or you can just stop there and use the rest of the chicken to make some chicken salad or something else with chicken. You don't have to use it all just because you cooked it all. You can use it for something different. And we'll just keep putting this together, and then we'll come back in just a little bit and make the sauce. Okay, we've boiled the chicken broth, the 3 cups of chicken broth, and we put 2 tablespoons of flour in there and cooked it for a little bit. And then we let it cool off a little bit. And now we're going to put about a cup or 1.5 cups of sour cream in there in globs to let it slowly warm up so it doesn't curdle, hopefully. And we'll get it in there, and then we'll leave it set there for probably 5 or 10 minutes till it gets the same temperature as the sauce. And then we'll re-whisk it again and pour it over the enchiladas. I finished rolling them with the chicken and the cheese with the onions mixed in, and then I just poured whatever cheese I had left over the top. And then when we get this whisked up, I will pour it over the top of this, and we'll put it in to cook, and we'll be back later to see what it looks like. Okay, now it's been 10 minutes, so we'll whisk that sour cream into that sauce real good. And then we will pour it over the enchiladas, and then we'll plug it in and cook it on high. Now, this was not originally a Crockpot recipe. Remember, I'm experimenting, so I don't know how long it's going to take to cook good till I do it. But anything you can make on top of the stove or in the oven, you can certainly do in a crock pot. So we'll be back when it's done and see what it looks like. Okay, the chicken enchiladas, they cooked 2 hours, and here they are. They're very good. My mom used to make these all the time. So try it, experiment, use different ingredients, make it yours. See you next time on Taste of Thursday.